Hi, I'm Ricky Syers. I'm doing a virtual masterclass. I got a lot of emails asking about instructional videos. This class is designed for people that might not be able to get to a regular masterclass. I decided to put together a series that will show you from beginning to the end how to make marionettes, the resources that you could use, repurposing, teach you how to assemble all the body parts, sculpt the head, sew the outfits, and how to string the marionette, how to make the control, and then how to tune it up, and also teach you some basic manipulation techniques for a standard human being. Elbows, some really cool movements, some slow movements, which is some of the more challenging moves. What I'll also teach you is the don'ts about making marionettes with marionettes that are already made. You know what? I'm gonna take you around here. This is Elwood, my very, very first marionette. He's made completely of wood. I used leather joints, which I won't use now because they ended up wearing. So what I get to teach you are some of the don'ts as well. This is Howie Long from the Super Bowl pregame commercial. See, these are a lot of the commissions that I did, but I could tell you some of the stories and show you some of the different methods also that I used while making these. With that, it won't just necessarily have to be the marionette that we're working on. During that, I'll be able to reveal some of the secrets and tricks that I don't use anymore because of the way they work or don't work. Okie doke, chopsy. I'll do this all over a series of videos that you'll be able to revisit all you want. I'd like to thank you all for visiting, and I hope to see you in class.